Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use Bonchat. First, download and install Bonchat on your device. Once the app is installed, open it. The first thing you will see is a request for a server ID, IP address, or domain. This step is important because Bonchat does not use a central public server. Instead, it connects to the server you choose. This allows you to control where your messages and files are sent and stored. The server ID or IP address is like the address of the server. When you enter it, the app knows exactly where to connect. A domain works the same way, but it is easier to remember, like a website address. After entering this information, tap Join. This tells Bonchat to connect to the server and prepare the app for secure messaging. Once connected, Bonchat lets you send messages and files that are protected with end-to-end encryption. This means that only you and the person you are communicating with can read your messages. You can also create groups, manage members, and customize permissions. The interface is simple, making it easy to chat, share files, and manage contacts while keeping everything secure. Thanks for watching.